Now that I have paid my respect to Lord Anant, I can now come and tell you the story about this temple and why we have come over here. Just for your information, when I came from the main entrance. But later on, as the story progresses, we will come through another gate which is facing the east from here. Ladies and gentlemen, there is a very beautiful story about this particular idol which is here. Now the idol is not in the shape of a human being, but it is on a slab. And this slab had a journey from very far away. And the story goes like this. There was a Baba over here in this place when there was no temple, who had his ashram very, very long time ago, many centuries ago. Now, one day he got a dream which showed him a person, sleeping on a snake and telling him that I have come to your village, I want to stay here, please bring me and keep me here. He didn't understand what it was. This dream kept on repeating. So he consulted his other elders in the thing. And they said, wait, possibly it is not there, but it continued. But then they said, possibly this is Lord Vishnu wanting to come and reside here, but from where has he come? They were lost. I have come to your village. Where you have come? So one fine day again he got a dream which said that I have traveled all the way from Kathiawad over here in a boat and come to your village. Please bring me and establish me here. Now, ladies and gentlemen, just across this small little village, cute Savoi Verem, which is made up of Savoi and Verem. This is Verem. Savoi is another village. It's Savoi Verem. The river Mandovi flows by very closely over here. So they deduced that, there must be a boat over there or boats on which this idol is there or the god here himself have come. But when they went there, they saw that there was only one boat over there belonging to a Muslim family from Surla. I will take you to Surla and I will show you that also. There, they met the owner, who was a Muslim gentleman. I have been again and again telling you about the communal harmony in Goa. The people of Goa live very harmoniously, irrespective of the faiths that they follow. Irrespective of things that may have happened in the past, we live very happily over here. And that was the case even during that time. So this gentleman told the people who came, he says, see, I will not have an idol on my ship for a simple reason that me following the Mohammedan faith, we do not worship idols. But he says, since you all are from the village just across the river, why don't you all go and see on my boat? So they proceeded and they went to his boat. Searched everywhere, nothing on the boat, like this gentleman has said. And then, when they were getting down, one of the person over there saw a big slab on the bow of the ship. And he asked him, he says, what is that? So he told him, he said, when I bring my load, the ship is down. But when I sell my load, the front comes on top. So to bring it down, I keep the load. He says, can we see that slab? So he said, yes. That slab was around 4.5 to 5 feet wide. It was about 2 feet wide, actually, that was long, and about 6 inches thick, very heavy. So they lifted it and they found that the entire thing was carved onto that. And they brought that and they established here. As we go to those places, I will repeat these particular things to you and tell you the story